All right, this is the last part of nature of roots, right? All right, this is the third video, and then the equation that we're going to deal with is 2x squared plus 3x minus 7, and we're going to be using our formula. So where is our b? Positive 3 is our b. So now we say open bracket 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by a in this instance is equal to 2 multiplied by c, which is negative 7, right? Now, so delta is equal to, now we say delta is equals to 3 squared gives us what? It gives us 9, and this negative multiplied by that negative, it gives us a what? A positive. Then when we say 7 multiplied by 4, it gives us 28. 28 multiplied by these 2, it gives us 56. Now we say delta, therefore delta is equals to what? 56 plus 9. If I take 4, it becomes 60. There are 5 which are remaining here, which is 65. Now 65, if I'm to write square root of 65, as you can see, this is not a what? This is not a perfect square, right? So the answer which I got, it's more than 0, right? But it's not a perfect square. So we come to our different solutions, and if you check the third one, it says when your delta is more than or equal to 0 and it's not a perfect square, it means it's giving you real numbers, right? So our solution are real numbers, comma, irrational. Remember, any square root of a number that is not a perfect square, it gives us irrational, those non-terminating decimals. And the roots are unequal. Meaning to say that when you solve for x for this equation using your quadratic formula, you're going to get unequal roots. Unequal roots simply means x is equals to 1,5 something, or x is equals to, let's say 5, 6, and then ellipsis, or 2,34 something else, but the numbers are irrational. That's what it means. So this was the last scenario that we had for the nature of roots. Now we have dealt with the 4 different types of nature of roots. Please make sure that you watch all these other videos that I recorded prior to this one, because this is the last one. Why am I emphasizing on this? Because your nature of roots, they like to question about this, whether you're doing grade 11 or you are in your metric paper. Remember, metric paper, it contains stuff from grade 11, right? Thank you very much. See you on the next video.